But through that same hardship or issue, believe in God.
Espérer contre toute espérance.
You have to believe even they are unbelievable.
Iyo kwizera iyo kwiringira gusanzwe kutagihaye gukora.
When the normal hope is not working anymore.
Habasigaye indi niveau yo kwiringira.
The only thing that you have left is another level of hope that is beyond the hope that you had.
Kandi ça marche.
And it works.
Birakora.
It works.
It works mugani wanyu.
Birakora.
Ça marche.
It works.
Narabigerageje kenshi cyane.
I've tried that so many times. So many times I've tried that.
Ibibazo bishobora kuba ibyo muri community.
The issues may be in your communities.
Muzi kuvuga ngo ubwoko bwacu.
Can you imagine talking about our community?
Muri mu Minembwe.
They are living in Minembwe.
Muri mu Mikenke.
They are in Mikenke.
Kundondo zibuvira bakeye.
Kundondo or like Ndondo of Uvira, a few people
are there.
In Nurambo.
No mu Bibogobogo.
And Bibogobogo as well.
C'est tout.
That's it.
Hagati yaho.
In the middle of those places.
No seulement nta muntu uhari
watuye. It's not to say only that there's no people who are living there.
Ariko n'inzira zarasibishe.
Even the ways have been turned to be no ways. There's no way that you cannot pass by.
Zanzira zose ntawazigenda mu uyu munsi.
All the ways that we used to pass by, we cannot go through those ways anymore.
Kubizana kuri iri jambo.
To bring those to this word.
Niyo situation imeze gutya.
And even though the situation is like that, even though it looks like that,
nitugira kwizera nko kwa Abraham.
If we can only have the faith like Abraham,
wabonye umwana agejeje imyaka hafi ijana.
Who received a child at 100 years
Umugore
old.
imyaka 90.
And his wife was 90 years old.
Ziriya nzira zasibuka.
Those ways are going to be open again.
Amata azasubira aboneke.
We're going to get milk again.
Ubwaki buzashira.
The sicknesses are going to go away.
Ariko n'izi imbaraga zose Imana hayibatiza
hano. All this strength or the power that is giving to you and the other places that are not here.
Zizakora.
They are going to serve.
Hashingwe imihana.
And there will be cities.
N'amajambo tutigeze kubona
twaba. And villages that we've never seen in the past.
Kuvuga ngo biyeho.
For those to be able to exist, it requires us to believe the unbelievable. If we believe only those that are believable, we cannot reach that goal. But if we go up in the spirit and know that the God that we're talking to is the God who created heaven in a way that it does not fall down. God who put borders on the so that it cannot go all on the other soil or the land. God who created the earth, who created and mounted the earth. He mounted the earth so it does not go down in the soil. That same God